It's a great pleasure to be here with all of you. I would like to hear from each one of you how you felt. You can unmute. The person who's talking can unmute and speak. The others can remain on mute so that there's no disturbance. Let's listen now.
Namaskaram, Guruji.
Namaskaram. Yes.
Dr. Bhuvneshwari, ma'am.
Chalunga. Yes. I can make out. Very nice to see you. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you. Thank you for this lovely class. The energy was really high, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Niki Kalela, I did the meditation, the same
Okay.
alpha meditation.
Okay.
I could feel the difference
Okay.
in the same meditation
Okay.
in front of you.
Okay. Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful.
And thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. This lockdown, we were able to pass this lockdown successfully. It's because of Alpha Mind, nothing else, ma'am.
Thank you
And
so
we were
much.
able
Thanks
to,
a lot.
really, ma'am. So, I mean, we were able to adapt to this change, this sudden change. We were able to adapt. And I feel, I mean, personally, I feel, ma'am, that I become so disciplined in life.
Okay.
The routine pranayamam, routine meditation.
Yeah. That is true. That is very true.
Even if all of us together say in the same place, even if someone else was imbalanced, we were able to find out that we were balanced.
That is true. That is very true. No, a lot of Alpha Siddhas have told me that they were quite calm, that they were not getting very disturbed. And I'm coming across so many people getting totally disturbed and totally depressed now because of this. I'm doing Zoom counseling, so I'm seeing. But the Alpha Siddhas are able to manage, and I'm really happy about that with our meditations and whatever we are doing. Good, very good. Nice to see you. Yeah, nice to see you.
I don't think without it wouldn't have been possible, ma'am. Nice to see you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Your blessings, ma'am.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Namaskaram, ma'am.
Yeah, namaskaram. Yes. Your name?
My name is Manasa.
Okay, yes.
The second time I'm attending the class, and it's very blissful. It's a very out of the world experience, and I'm happy that you're doing this.
Thank you so much.
So
you're from which place? Where are you
Bangalore.
from? Bangalore. Okay.
So it's easier for all of us to enjoy and experience this from sitting at home.
Yeah.
It's very amazing.
Good. I think going forward, we have to adapt to this kind of learning and teaching, I'm sure. So good that you could join. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So,
hello, Ma.
Yes.
Amma, this is Gayatri from Mumbai. And our entire family is into Alpha meditation.
Yes, Gayatri.
I am the only person who had not done Aishwaryam, and when this chance came, I just grabbed it, and I'm really happy. I had lot of blocks in me, but I knew that. But a couple of things that you mentioned in the blockages, I really know where I have blockages now. During the music therapy, also, it really helped me get out of it, and I feel why not? I mean, I deserve more is what I feel. A lot of new ideas have come into me, and from now on I will do the goal visualization very every day on an everyday basis. And I'm sure I'm going to post the results very soon about it.
Good.
Yes,
very nice.
Thank you so much, Ma.
All the best.
Thank you, Ma.
Okay.
Rani,
yes.
Yeah, I think you've seen me. I have attended all the classes in Bangalore.
Okay. Yes, Rani, tell me.
I wanted to attend the Aishwaryam since long.
Okay.
So when it was held in Bangalore, I could not attend.
Okay.
So finally, I could make it today. It was very good. I could remove all my blockages from.
Excellent. That's what we need. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I'm very happy and grateful to you. I'm also looking forward for this Lakshya Siddhi class, because I once missed it.
Okay. It will come again after maybe 1 or 2 months. It will come again in rotation. It will come. Just keep looking out for the schedule. Definitely, it will come.
Definitely, I'll do that. And thanks a lot.
Okay. Thank you very much for joining.
This is Prakash from Canada.
Oh, Prakash. Yes. Okay. From Canada, what is the time there, Prakash? You're awake now.
Time is morning 8:20.
Okay. Then it's all right. Okay.
So I'm attending your class after 14-15 years. I'm one of your old students now.
Okay.
And thank you so much for giving this option to attend the class remotely. And,
I'm really happy that you could join from there. Wonderful.
You're really the best teacher that
Thank you
I've
so
found
much.
over the years. And you provide us a happier and a better way to reach wherever we are all going. So this is a request which I asked you when I was in India as well. So even in my next birth, please find me at a young age itself and initiate me into these practices. So I live happily.
So nice of you to say that. Thank you very, very much for joining. Wonderful it was. I hope you enjoyed the meditation. Please practice it.
I did. Thank you, Guruji.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks.
This is Anita from Paris.
Yes, Anita. How are you?
I enjoyed the meditation a lot.
Okay.
And I had a question actually.
Yeah.
We are talking about abundance. And I don't know, to me, abundance, it's not only about money. It's also about love, good relationship.
Yes.
Even, having the chance to have children is a kind of abundance.
Sure.
To know whether this meditation I can apply to have a good alliance and have children as well.
Yeah, definitely. See, abundance means everything. But I stressed a little more on money because that is what affects many people generally. And many things which we want, we can get with money. But there are many others also which we cannot get with money, which goes beyond money, as you said, having children, having a good life, all that. But abundance means everything together. So when you do this meditation, you can mentally tune into whatever you want. That is why we did that meditation where with Aishwarya Shakti, you visualize your goals. Because Aishwarya Shakti, as I felt it when I first got it, it is something which can give you whatever you want. So that way, money is one thing we are looking at. Money and abundance and prosperity. But when we say abundance, it can include anything. You can ask for whatever you want. And wishing you all the very best.
Thank you, Guruji.
Yeah.
Guruji?
Yes?
I have one last question. It's a practical question.
Yes?
You have given us alpha, like music therapy. In the online classes on products. Will it be available for us?
No, music therapy is generally customized for an individual, and whatever points they want, whatever changes they want in the mind can be included there. I prepare it separately for each person. But this music therapy today was made for the class only for prosperity. So if you want a music therapy, it will be better if you write an email and whatever points you want, you can include that. At least up to 5 points can be included. Then I will prepare a separate music therapy and I'll send it to you by mail. That will be actually meaningful. It will work for you better. That's why.
Okay.
Okay. Right.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Yes. Wonderful.
Namaste, Guruji. Tirumagal from Bangalore, Guruji.
Namaste. Yes.
Guruji, I attended the Lakshya Siddhi class
I remember.
also.
Yes.
Now I have a doubt that after doing this meditation, then we should include that also, like the goal manifestation of that also.
See,
for some important goals.
See, goals are the same. You can practice the goals with Lakshya Siddhi, you can visualize, or with Aishwaryam also. See, you have two now in your hands.
Okay.
When you do Aishwaryam meditation, you can visualize the goals. When you do Lakshya Siddhi also, you can visualize the goals. So you can alternate.
Okay. And any other meditation, if you do Sri Vidya and all, then at the end of it, I can combine
you can visualize the goals. See, any of our main meditations, class meditations, after the meditation is over, you can always visualize the goals.
Okay.
So you can keep alternating whatever classes you have done, whatever meditations you have. Every day you listen to a different meditation. That way your mind will be more enthusiastic with meditation.
So every day, so different class meditation, then I combine with the Lakshya Siddhi, how to goal manifest it, like Lakshya Siddhi. Now for this one, I can just stop it with the whatever the Aishwarya Shakti only, or should I, important goals, should I have the...
When you meditate in one session, do only one main meditation. If you're doing Aishwaryam, you do only Aishwaryam goals. If you're doing Lakshya Siddhi, only Lakshya Siddhi goals.
Okay.
You don't have to do two big meditations because then the mind gets a little confused. So stick to that one energy and then visualize your goals after any meditation. That is all right.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much. Yes.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste. Yes,
Pranam.
yes. Pranam. சொல்லுங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
நல்லா இருக்கேன் மேம்.
Very good.
3 months ஊர்லயே இருக்கேன், எங்கேயும் வெளியில வரல. அதனால உங்களோட இந்த செஷன்ல கலந்துக்கும் போது எல்லாரையும் பாக்குற மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீலிங் நல்லா இருக்கு. அதுக்காகவே கலந்துக்கணும்னு.
வெரி குட்.
அதே மாதிரி மெடிடேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் நான் தனியா பண்ணும்போது நல்லா தான் இருக்கும். பட் இருந்தாலும் இந்த செஷன்ல ஒவ்வொரு செஷன்லயும் வரும்பொழுது இந்த கிளாஸ்ல அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணும்போது அதோட எனர்ஜி லெவலே வேறையா இருக்கு.
ஆமா. உங்களோட பிரசன்ஸ் அத நீங்க உணர்ந்தது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
Thank you. இது ரொம்ப அந்த எனர்ஜி ஃபீல் பண்ண முடியுது. நேரா கிளாஸ்ல வந்து இருக்கும்போது ஹால்ல எப்படி இருக்குமோ அதே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு. எங்க வீட்டுக்குள்ளாரே நீங்க வந்து எங்க கூட இருந்து பண்ற மாதிரி. எனக்கு ஊர்லயே இருக்கேன்னு நான் யாரையும் பார்க்கல, இங்க தனியா இருக்கிறது ரொம்ப ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கு. ஆனா இந்த கிளாஸ்ல அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணும்போது உங்களை எல்லாம் பாக்குறது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு.
ரொம்ப ரொம்ப
ஒரே ஒரு ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ்ல மிஸ்ஸிங் வந்து நம்மளோட குரூப் போட்டோ.
ஆமா,
அதெல்லாம் தான் மிஸ் ஆகுது.
அதுக்குதான் வழி இல்ல. அது இதுல அப்படியே பாத்துக்க வேண்டியதுதான், இந்த ரெக்கார்டிங்ல பாக்குறது தான்.
ஆனா இது ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கு. இந்த செஷன்ல கலந்துக்கிறது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Blessings வேணும் மேம்.
Always, always, always.
Sunita here.
Yes, Sunita.
Yeah, yes, Guruji. Wonderful experience, Guruji. Actually, this energy is little comparatively easy to access, I think.
Okay, okay.
Comparing to Sanjeevani or Amrita Siddhi, this energy is coming very quickly.
Very quickly, yes, yes.
Yeah,
yes, true.
so wonderful, Guruji. So very,
thank you
so
for
much.
joining. Thank you so much. Good to see you. Yeah.
Me too, Guruji.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, thanks.
Namaste,
Okay.
Guruji.
Yes, Rajalakshmi.
Yes, yes, it was a wonderful experience and feeling so blessed and happy.
Good.
That we could do it sitting so far away, but at the same time feeling very close to you.
Good. Thank you so much. Okay.
I need one clarification too.
Yeah.
Right now you said that we have to do only one main meditation every day.
Yeah.
So, like before doing the main meditation, can we do the psychic energy meditation before that, after the pranayama and Panchabuddha meditation? Is it necessary that we have to do that every day, or like as you said, on rotation, is it enough?
You're asking about psychic energy, whether you can do it every day.
Yes.
See, psychic energy by itself is such a powerful meditation. After you finish that, you will not feel like starting another new meditation. So my suggestion is you do psychic energy in the morning every day, and whatever other meditation, Aishwaryam, Sanjeevani, anything, you do it in the evening. You know, different session. That will be very good. That will be really good.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you for
Guruji.
joining. Wonderful.
See you
Thank
again.
See you. Right.
I'm Shanmugavelu from Muscat.
Shanmugavelu. Okay.
I'm from Muscat. I'm a business development manager.
Oh, you're from Muscat. Okay. So
myself and my wife, we attended Alpha Meditation Level 1 in 2014 in Chennai.
Okay. Okay. Wonderful. Okay.
But, so happy to see you on live session.
Good. My pleasure also. Definitely. Okay.
2 weeks before, my wife attended a Lakshya Siddhi class.
Okay. Okay.
She told me Aishwaryam class is coming, whether you'll have time to allot for this class. I told her it's a pleasure to see our Guruji. Definitely I'll attend the Aishwaryam class. And yesterday I sent a message that I attended this class.
Okay.
Happy to
Very
see
good.
a live session. It was a spellbinding session.
Okay.
Guruji, I have one doubt.
Yes.
What's the step-by-step procedure? Whether first I have to do alpha meditation and then mantra and then Aishwarya meditation and then goal meditation continuously I have to do every day?
No. See, alpha meditation you don't have to do every day. That's a separate one. So if you're doing Aishwarya meditation, you can start with pranayamam and also the mantras which I taught today. You can chant the mantras either before meditation, or if you don't have time, just do the pranayamam, mentally connect with Guru, God and Siddhas, pranayamam, and then Aishwarya meditation. And then visualize your goals. That by itself will be sufficient. Mantra chanting, you can keep it separately whenever you do your puja or in the evening. Then also you can chant mantras. If you have time, immediately after the meditation also you can chant.
After attending this alpha meditation level 1, 2014 I attended. And 2015, I was promoted as a business development manager.
Good, very good, excellent.
And last 5 years, I am as a business development manager.
Good, good. Very good, very good.
Guruji, one more question. This music therapy, it will be available in our Alpha Mind app?
No, no, it will not be there in the app. Generally, music therapy is customized for a person. So this music therapy is for the class. I made it for, particularly for Aishwaryam. So if you want music therapy, you can just write a mail to us or call my office or something, and I'll prepare it and send it to you individually for you or for your family. You can get it like that. You can give whatever points you want me to include. It'll be done.
Thank you very much.
So all the best. All the best. Thanks for joining. All the best. Okay.
This is Sankita.
Yeah. Yes.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Yes. You're from where?
Canada.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And during the meditation, it really helped me to see in my next level. I was struggling. My inner being was saying to do something, but I couldn't even clearly see. But during the meditation, it really helped me to see where I have to go next.
Very good, very good.
Thank
Excellent.
You so
I'm so happy to hear this. Wonderful. My blessings to you. Carry on. Carry on. Right. Good. Thank you so much.
Yeah, this is Subhashini here from Bangalore.
Subhashini, yes.
From Bangalore.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the first time I'm attending your class.
Subhashini, we can't see your video.
Sorry, there is some problem with my cam.
Okay,
yeah?
okay.
This meditation was amazing. I could really, see the clarity which I was not able to see all these years. Though I'm in business for so many years, I was not able to see the clarity and things getting manifested. I was able to visualize, and that was amazing. And during that meditation and music therapy, my eyes started. The tears were falling, because of the happiness. It was so amazing, So that's amazing. And in fact, my brother who's in Australia, who did your course in 2002, and he still sees, he still follows your principles and meditation classes. That's amazing.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Very nice. Convey my blessings to him. All the best. All the best. So thanks for joining.
Your blessings, ma'am.
Definitely, definitely, always. Yeah. Good.
Thanks a lot.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. I'm Swarna.
Yes, Swarna.
Ma'am, I got a question. No, ma'am. Previously, I said no, ma'am. Like I'm happy to spend money. Whatever money I have, I'm spending. But after some time, I'm regretting that I have spent so much.
Okay.
I don't know how to overcome that.
Okay.
And after 2 years of my graduation, I got a government job. So practicing that, and I'm your old student, ma'am. From 2009 was my first meditation.
Okay.
And this is my second time I'm seeing you.
Okay. So wonderful. Very nice. But remove all those thoughts from the mind. See, just before spending, you tell yourself, I'm spending this money for my own satisfaction, and then go ahead and spend. Convince yourself that you want to do it. Then you will not have this guilt feeling or any regret also. Okay. Right. Enjoy life. That's more important.
Yeah, ma'am. And one thing is like I just practiced every meditation when you are uploading in online. So
okay. Good. Very nice. Please continue. Yeah.
Ma'am, you said about that money CD, ma'am. Last month my friend said that he not even got salary, but I just visualized that he got a message, and next day he got his full salary, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Excellent. Very nice. Thanks for sharing.
Need your blessings, ma'am.
Always, definitely. Good evening, Shanti.
Firstly, romba nalla energy flow today. I felt it so much.
Okay, good, very good.
Two of my lakshyas are in the coming week. I think it will be materialized.
Very good, excellent. So happy to hear that. Good.
Thanks for that, Guruji. Psychic energy and Lakshya Siddhi both. For me.
Helped you. Very nice. Excellent. I'm so happy to hear that. Okay.
I think morning I do this psychic energy. Then after that, Lakshya Siddhi.
Okay.
Because evening I don't find time.
Okay.
So many other work are
okay.
But the thing is, it's more than 1.5 hours. The only thing
no, two meditations. I told you in one session. If you do, it is difficult. You can keep one for the afternoon. See, like this around 3 o'clock, you can do one of the meditations. That will be better. Don't do them together. The mind gets fed up, you know, that way. Okay?
Okay.
Right.
Definitely.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll mail to you once
Okay.
it is visualized.
Okay. Sure. Please do mail. Namaste.
This is Srikanth from Hyderabad.
Srikanth. Yes, Srikanth. Yes.
Yeah, last class I attended was the psychic energy.
Okay.
I'm doing those meditations regularly. I'm enjoying actually I'm really enjoying those meditations.
Okay. Good. Very good.
I was doing every day night before going to sleep.
Okay. Excellent. Very nice.
Yeah.
Psychic energy is very powerful. Please do it every day. You will see a lot of changes in life. That's how it works.
Yeah. The Guruji, I need your blessings to get good alliance for me.
Oh, sure. My blessings. Get a very nice girl and settle down happily. Happy married life. Definitely. Okay.
Thank you, Guruji.
Right. All the best. Yes.
Thank you.
Guruji, this is Kavita. As always, it's so blissful. Whenever
You're from
I attend
where,
your...
Kavita? Where?
Yeah, I'm from Coimbatore. You might be
Okay.
knowing. Yeah.
Okay.
Whenever I attend your session, I'll come with some expectation, but end of it, I'll get more than that.
Okay. Wonderful. I'm happy to hear that. Good.
Actually, once I thought like I have to get a promotion. Then immediately after attending a session, I just throw away that job.
Okay.
Then I was waiting for it. I got another job and I get settled nicely. I mean, same way I'm expecting something unexpected this time.
Okay. I'm sure it will happen. My blessing.
Thank you,
Hello.
Guruji. Thank you.
Okay. Good. All the best.
I'm Rama from Bangalore.
Yes, Rama. Yes.
Namaste, madam. Thank you so much.
Namaste. Okay.
I've been practicing all your meditations.
Okay.
I have attended level 1.
Okay.
I have done Sanjeevani. And Aishwaryam, I just wanted to do for a very long time.
Okay.
And I have few questions.
Yes.
One is about this chakra meditation I do daily, madam. Now, after all these, from this COVID period you started, I'm doing. I feel very nice about it.
Okay.
Only thing is, I can only in the Mooladhara, I can feel the tingling a lot. I can feel there.
Okay.
And I'm not in the Mooladhara, here, what do you call Agnya Chakra, isn't it? Only there,
okay.
This where between the brows.
Yes. Forehead.
I feel a lot there. But Mooladhara, all I'm not able to. But still, I just keep doing it, and I feel very nice about it, madam.
Okay, good. You should just continue to do.
Yes.
Okay.
Grounding also I'm able to do very well. I'm feeling very nice.
Okay.
And today I had a bit this thing like whether we'll be able to get the initiation from you. But I felt it was amazing. It was just amazing.
Good.
I was able to go to Sarayu River where Sri Rama, Lord Rama, Sita.
Oh, wonderful.
I always see that place as my place for meditation.
Okay.
I could feel it so well, ma'am. Thank you.
Good. Excellent. Wonderful experience. Very nice. Good evening.
Preeta from Bangalore, Guruji.
Hi Preeta. How are you?
I'm doing good, Guruji. So delighted to see you today.
Very nice to see you also.
So Aishwaryam was something which I was always looking forward to, and now we had this online class.
Yeah.
So meditations I'm doing regularly, Guruji.
Okay.
This lockdown period I could somehow manage, and we are able to do because of all your meditations, Guruji.
Wonderful. Thank you
so much.
Thank
So
you
much. So happy to see you. Thank you so much.
Blessings. Yeah. Thank you.
From Bangalore, ma'am.
Yes, from Bangalore.
Yeah.
Yes. How are you?
Namaste, Guruji. I'm doing fine. Ma'am, it was a lovely meditation. Really thoroughly enjoyed it.
Okay.
Just have a question. Actually, I left my job 3 years back. I was a professor in college.
Okay.
Now I intend to join my job once my son goes to full-time school. But then I also want to be financially independent. Although my husband is doing well, learning well, touch wood, everything is good. But then I also want to contribute because like it's a long time, 5-6 years before he goes to full-time school now. So now when I do Aishwaryam, will it increase my chances of going to work or will it increase my husband's income? How will it affect it? Or do I have to visualize, or things will happen automatically after I
See,
want to
Usha, since I know your background, at this point of time with a small child, when you think about going for a job, the mind gets confused. You will be reluctant to leave the child and go. So you will wait till he goes to full-time school, as you said. So when you immediately start thinking of a job, even in meditation, your mind will be confused. So what I suggest is just do this meditation and ask for abundance, whether it comes through your husband or whether you yourself go for a job, it doesn't matter. Leave that to the universe. That way you will be more peaceful. Knowing you, I'm saying this. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
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 Is it Lakshmi?
Yeah, Lakshmi. Guru
Okay.
Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Shastra Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. So thank you so much. I just want to say, convey my experience with you. Like I felt like so much of my doors have been opened.
Wonderful. Very good. Very
And
good.
it was so blissful, blissful. Like I feel like I don't have any more hurdles in my
Excellent.
life.
Very good.
I'm really enjoying your class, Guruji. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Where are you from, Lakshmi?
I'm from Salem.
Salem.
And you know, like when I was doing out, when you told me to go for the goals, it's like overflowing. I started having tears in my eyes.
Okay.
I don't know. I was touched. I was
very
touched.
good. Very good. Excellent.
Thank you for this divine experience. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Blessings.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
This is Dr. Manimari from Trivandrum.
Yes, doctor.
Ma'am, around 10 years back, I attended your first level at Coimbatore, and since then I have been doing some meditations whenever I did find time. But my life was too stressful with nights, plenty of night duties. I was working in cardiology, ICU, and it was it. And at family, I have 2 boys, which was very difficult for me to manage. Did not get much help from my husband, who's a scientist here in ISRO.
Okay.
Then I couldn't. My son was in Chennai. He attended 3 levels, and he even attended this. Was at Alpha Music Therapy too. He had some attention deficit problems and all that. He is recovering slowly. Then last week I was able to attend your Sanjeevani meditations, though I couldn't attend it in person all these years. So, because nowhere here your meditations are not somewhere in your Kerala.
Yeah.
And it was really nice, ma'am. I'm doing it every day, and after a long while, I'm able to sleep in the nights.
Good, good, excellent.
My sleep hygiene was very, though allopathy medicine, it has its own limitations.
Correct.
I went into anxiety and all that because of withdrawal of steroids for some year, autoimmune problem. And now I could sleep after this meditation, Sanjeevani meditation, which is really thankful. I'm thankful and grateful for it. And today's meditation also, I felt the energy more than the last meditation.
Okay.
I felt much more relaxed and light actually. I should keep doing it, and I'll get back to you with my feedback.
Yes.
Thank
Please,
you.
Doctor,
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your
Thank you very much for
and
joining.
bless us all. Thank you so much.
Okay, sure. My blessings. Yeah.
I'm Shanti I'm from USA.
Yes.
I have done many of your courses.
Okay. I remember you. I remember seeing you, whether in Chennai. I don't know where I have seen.
Yeah, no, I have done it in Bangalore a lot.
Bangalore. Okay.
But, last one was in Chennai.
Chennai. Okay. Okay. So now for you also, it must be early morning, no?
Yeah. It's early morning.
Okay.
It was very wonderful. But the thing is, my doubt is whether these mantras we can chant while we cook and while we are doing walking.
See, these Mahalakshmi mantra, I think you should sit and chant. In fact, if you can light a lamp and sit in the puja room and chant, it will be better, because it's like inviting Mahalakshmi. These mantras you cannot chant when you're doing some other work. You need to mentally connect with Mahalakshmi and then chant. That way it will be more powerful. So whenever you find time to sit, even if you cannot light a lamp, it's okay. But whenever you can sit and chant, because you're inviting her to come to your house. So that is why you need to pay that much attention and do. Then it will be better. The connection will be better, right?
One more thing. This Sri Vidya meditation, can we do it in the night?
Sri Vidya, you can, not before going to bed, because if you meditate, that kind of a meditation, such a high energy, it takes you to a very high level of existence actually. So immediately if you lie down, you may not be able to sleep. So that is why if you're doing it in the evening, it is fine. Maybe about 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock. And then if you have 2-3 hours before you go to bed, then it will be all right. But don't do it just before going to bed. It is too powerful for that. Morning is actually better for Sri Vidya. Morning or evening time, Sandhya Kalam, 6 o'clock. Will be very good. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much for joining.
This is Srinivas from Bangalore.
So this is from Bangalore.
Okay.
So actually, I registered me and my wife in 2017 only actually for our Aishwaryam class in Bangalore.
Okay.
But because of some reasons, we couldn't attend.
Okay.
So after that, none of the class has happened till now.
Okay. Yeah.
So I was thinking, when should I attend? So this is the time I got, and I'm really very overwhelmed with classes.
Very good. I'm so happy you could join
And
us.
usually, what you told, daily I listen to this money.
Okay.
Whenever I'm going to my office, usually I listen to that every day.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. All the best and my blessings. Good.
This is Radhika speaking, Guruji.
Yes.
Guruji, it is so nice being with you today in the class.
Okay. Good. Good. I remember seeing you, but where are you now?
I'm based in Chikmagalur, Guruji.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good.
And I'm
good.
so happy because of this online, I can do the classes. Otherwise,
Correct.
every time I had to come to Bangalore to do the classes.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good.
This is a wonderful opportunity.
Excellent. Good that you could join. It is really helpful to many people. You know, when we do it online like this, I'm also realizing now that it's wonderful actually to connect with so many people from different places. It's good. Thank you so much for joining.
And today's class was, I felt the energies very strongly, Guruji.
Okay.
Thank you, Guruji. I need your blessings.
Blessings. My blessings always.
Thank you.
Okay. Namaskaram.
Devi. I have attended your class around 5 years back.
Okay.
And with lots of grace from you, I was able to get a job which was beyond my expectation.
Okay,
I was
good.
able to also visualize a house which I'm currently living in.
Okay, good.
Which I bought it out of my own money.
Where are you? Which city?
I'm in Chennai only. Guruji,
Chennai.
but
Good.
I'm
Good.
so happy that it's all because of the blessings. And then I was able to visualize a partner. And even he is attending your classes, Guruji, and we are so happy.
Good, good. I'm so happy to hear that. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay.
And I was actually praying for a child. And now I'm conceived and I'm happy to share that also, ma'am.
My blessings. Please listen to Garbharakshakam.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have it? You have it?
Yes.
Please listen to it every day. The child will be really good. Please listen to it.
Yeah.
Okay?
So when I first joined, I didn't have so much of expectations, but now seeing all those abundance in the life, it's all so happy to have it.
Good, good. Very good. My blessings to all of you. Thank you.
Guruji, I'm Mohan from Bombay.
Bombay. Mohan, yes.
Thanks for the meditation. It was wonderful.
Okay.
Actually, the last 5 years, I had gone through a lot of downfall. And I actually am, I need your blessings to come out of it. Basically,
definitely my blessings are there. Sure.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for joining. Wonderful. Sharda.
I'm doing my course from Virginia.
Okay.
I'm really happy.
Good. Excellent.
So I wanted to do this course in actually March 2018 in Bangalore.
Okay.
That was the first time you did the course in Bangalore.
Okay.
Aishwaryam course.
Yes.
I'm so happy that today you told some points which were actually meant for me.
Okay.
And I'm really
good,
maybe
good.
Even after this long time, I'm happy that God, that's what He wanted me to listen today and change my mindset and
okay, okay,
accept it and
good, very good.
Be happy and do other things in life.
Good, excellent.
So that's what.
Very good. So once you
Thank
become
you so much.
Good, good. Thank you very much.
Namaste,
once you
madam.
become aware of your blockages, automatically they dissolve.
This is Bharti here.
Yes.
I think you're able to see me.
Yeah, I can see you. Yes,
I
Bharti.
was basically a very pessimist person.
Okay.
But I think from 2009, I started attending your classes. I went through level 3 and then I came to Sri Vidya. Those days I had a lot of issues. As I said, I was a pessimist. Anything I see, I will try to find a problem with that and try to blame some other person. And I had a few surgeries. Then there were some accidents happening in our home and all. But I think I got your energy box. And after that, as you said, through Sri Vidya meditation, I went to Tirumiyachur and tried the anklet and all.
Okay,
After that,
great, very good.
A baby girl was born to me, and I think she was like a goddess for me. I used to take very good care of her. She was my second kid. I used to take very good care of her, and slowly I had a ray of hope that things will also happen. it's not that everything is going in a wrong direction. It is just my mind which is not going in the right direction.
Okay.
So thereafter, I think just to patch up the relationships, to mend the relationships, I came for this Anubandham class.
Okay.
And I was doing this meditation for about 6 months, and some kind of enmity I had with a couple of my relatives, I was able to patch up. So every day in the meditation, I used to seek their forgiveness.
Wonderful, wonderful. I'm so happy to hear this. Okay.
And I think in one of the marriages, I was able to talk very freely to them, and I also felt some kind of past janmas bad relationship has gone off. I think that gave so much satisfaction in me. And I think recently I got a music therapy. I had a lot of fear in me to drive a car. And this lockdown, I had to take the car because I had little kids at home and the old parents. So I was able to drive the car, and now I got rid of it. So that fear is gone in me. At least I felt worth doing things. And day by day, I think this is a transformation phase for me. I don't know, maybe the whole Janma is required for this transformation. Many more things are coming up. As you said in Aishwaryam class, I have few dreams, and as one of the participants told, I had few dreams coming up in me, like few new pointers coming up for me. So I think I'll try it out. I don't jump into any meditation. As and when I think something's very important, I go for that meditation, and I think it's very effective.
Good, very good.
Thank you so
My
much,
blessing.
Guruji.
Do very well. All the best. Okay. Right. Okay. So thank you very much, everybody, one and all, whoever joined us from different parts of the world. I'm really, really very happy that we are able to connect like this. That itself is a great thing. I think it's a blessing of the lockdown, I would say. So we never thought this will happen, but it's happening. So thank you very much for being here, and keep meditating, keep achieving a lot in life, and let me know, write your feedback, and the meditation will be there in your mobile app. And I think the PDF has already been posted in the WhatsApp group. So you can take a printout of the mantras and keep chanting. So all the best, keep smiling, and may abundance be showered upon all of you. Thank you very much.